we're going to be playing with slime. But I think this is Putty. It's like slime or Putty, I don't know. Same thing. But these are the colors. We got yellow, green, and pink. Now let's open green. This is the green slime. It says right here, oops. It's funny. Here's the back. It says right here how to play with it. Like you take it out and then put it in the container again, and then it farts. Now let's open it. I really want to open it so bad because it looks so cool. I want to make fart noises. Yay! Come on! I want to play with it. Here we got it, you guys. We got it. It's super cute. It's like light green. ASMR. It looks like bubblegum. You guys, this is so sticky. You guys. Oh! I don't even think this is so sticky. It's super sticky. It's no wonder it says wash hands after. Should we grab the whole thing out, you guys? Let's do it. Oh, hold on, let me grab everything, okay? I'm trying to rip it apart. Okay, there you go. What do I do? This is amazing. I don't think this can remove, is this? Look. I don't even think this is get off. Is this sticky slime that is not supposed to be removed? You guys, like, I can't even speak. This is so weird. It's like so gorgeous. I love the color. This is like the best slime I've ever seen. It's like so squishy and soft. Guys, this is a big mess. I'm going to go wash my hands. You guys, this is a big mess. It took a long time to get it off my hands. Well, I have no idea how we're going to take that off, but let's move on. I tried my best getting it off, so let's just open this one. This one's a yellow one. Oh, that's weird. This time, I am going to try not to put my whole hand in it, because it was really sticky last time. Hopefully this one is not as weird as the other one. Where is it? It's invisible! I can't find it. Oh. Look at it. Let's just put one finger. Oh, look at that. Bubble. Wait a minute. I don't know if it's normal, you guys. I have no idea. I ain't going to make a fart sound. No. There was like an air. Come on, I need to make it a little bit more. Oh! This is so squishy. You guys, I don't think this is like the other one. It looks more squishier. You guys, this is not so squishy. Like, not so sticky. It's like normal. Yay! We got a normal one. But this one's like cold. Weird. It's not even slime. It's like a weird slime. I like the color yellow. It's super cool, you guys. It's like, I'm cool. I'm the coolest slime out of these slimes. Let's try making fart noises again. Let's close it and move on to the next one. Ooh, this is like pink, but it's like pink neonish. Super cool. I love pink. Imagine if the outside is pink, but the inside is blue. They scammed us. Come on, come on. Doesn't let me. Why? Oh, there we go. Going to get this out. There you go. Here it is. I want this one to be like the yellow one, not as sticky. I have Hulk power. I don't trust this. It doesn't let me squeeze it. Let's take out the rest of the wrapper. Ooh, let's take this one out to see if it's the same yellow one. And then we're going to make fart noises. Do I trust you, yellow? I was about to say yellow. I mean pink. Do I trust you, pink? Oh, looks like it has a yellow. Oh, this is like the yellow one. Yay! I can finally have a pink one. This one's like super squishy. It's like, it doesn't even let me. Let's see if it can just. No, it's not like real slimes. Let's put it back in so we can make fart noises. Oh! Come on, I need one of the excellent farts. Oh, come on. Let's close this one, and I'm going to bring all of them. Here are all the 3 slimes. And I don't know what happened to this one. I'm not sure. I'm going to tell you which was my favorite. My favorite one was the green one, because it was super sticky. It was so fun. I just wanted to grab it all, but that got stuck in there, so I didn't know what happened. And my least favorite was, let's see, it was the pink one, because it was not as squishy as this one. This one was squishy. This is how it looks up close. Well, guys, I guess that's it for today's video. Subscribe and leave a like. Bye!